Turn up. 4 meanings, 16 examples and synonyms. To turn up means to appear, to arrive. To be found after being lost. To increase. Fold or raise. Let's look at examples. He turned up an hour late. He turned up an hour late. Nobody turned up for the meeting. Nobody turned up for the meeting. She turned up with a big smile. She turned up with a big smile. Our neighbors turned up without calling. Our neighbors turned up without calling. Synonyms. Appear, arrive, show up. He turned up late. He showed up late. My glasses finally turned up. My glasses finally turned up. The missing letter turned up yesterday. The missing letter turned up yesterday. Your passport will turn up soon. Your passport will turn up soon. The old photo turned up in a drawer. The old photo turned up in a drawer. Synonyms. Be found. Be discovered. My keys turned up. My keys were found. Turn up the TV, please. Turn up the TV, please. Could you turn up the heating? Could you turn up the heating? Turn up the radio a little. Turn up the radio a little. She turned up the music and started dancing. She turned up the music and started dancing. Synonyms. Increase, raise, turn up the volume, increase the volume, raise the volume. He turned up his sleeves before painting. He turned up his sleeves before painting. He turned up the cuffs of his trousers. He turned up the cuffs of his trousers. Turn up your collar, it's windy. Turn up your collar, it's windy. She turned up her socks. She turned up her socks. Synonyms. Fold back, raise. Turn up your collar, raise your collar. Remember these phrasal verb meanings. Bye.